I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a bank account to Stripe can seem tricky, but it's pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Start by signing into your Stripe dashboard using your credentials. This is where you allow manage all your payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select bank accounts. In the settings menu, find the option labeled bank accounts or payout settings. Click on it to proceed to the bank account management section. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Click on the add bank account button. You will now need to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double check these numbers to avoid any errors. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, Stripe may require you to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small test deposits made by Stripe into your bank account. Check your bank statements for these amounts. If you miss the test deposits, you might have to start the verification process over. Now you're all set. Adding your bank account to Stripe should make your transfer seamless. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.